Good morning, class. Today I'm going to read you the book Chameleon, Chameleon. And this is a picture of a real chameleon. This book is full of photographs, which is a little bit different than some of our books that we read. So all of these pictures were taken by Nick Bishop. So he spent a lot of time outdoors and he took these pictures. The chameleon rests in his tree. His skin has peaceful colors. You can see that he's blues and greens, and he's napping. He wakes up hungry for a juicy insect. He looks this way and that way. No food! No food! He must find a new tree home. Slowly, the chameleon climbs down the tree step. Step by step by step. He stops. Is something hiding in that tree? It's kind of camouflaged. You might have to look really close. Do you see something hiding in that tree? Look, it's a gecko. The gecko looks very scary, but it will not hurt the chameleon. As you can see in the pictures. Step by step, the chameleon creeps to the ground. He looks this way and that way, watching for danger. You can do it this way. What is this? It is a tiny chameleon. It is not dangerous. What is that? It is a tiny frog. The frog will not harm him either. Something hangs from a low branch. Suddenly it jumps. It's another gecko. Do you see the gecko in this picture? It's kind of hard to see, but when he moves, this is what it looks like. The gecko is camouflaged. The gecko will not hurt the chameleon. The chameleon moves on. What's this? A scorpion? Watch out, chameleon! The scorpion stingers is poisonous. Carefully, the chameleon creeps past. At last, the chameleon finds a new tree. He is safe again. He climbs up slowly. Step by step by step. Is there food in this tree? Yes. The chameleon sees a big caterpillar. I think this is my favorite page of all. Zap! Look at his tongue fling out of his mouth to try and catch that caterpillar. And if you look really close, you can see that the caterpillar is stuck to his tongue. chew, chew, gulp. Something is watching another chameleon. It lives in this tree. Her skin is very dark with angry colors. Go away. Do you see that? This chameleon is not green and blue. She is dark. She is black and she is brown and she is not happy. She is angry. She's showing her angry colors. But the chameleon greets her with her bright colors to let her know that he is not mad and angry and he doesn't want to hurt her. So he's showing that he's happy right now. She sees that he is friendly, so she welcomes him with pale colors. So she's turned really light to let him know that she's not mad anymore. Two chameleon friends have happy colors. So, chameleons are really interesting animals to learn about, and I'm going to include some information below this book that has a video that you can watch that gives you more information on chameleons. It'll show you how and why they change color. It'll also show you what their tongue does when he wants to eat a snack, which is really cool. I hope you have a lot of fun learning more about chameleons, and that you enjoyed this book that I just read to you. Have a good day!